Alright, so y'all might remember these units right here. This Guardian actually never runs, so I'm not pretty sure if this one runs often. But it's got a Copeland scroll compressor. It's a very cool unit. And it is a 4-ton from 2014. So R22 refrigerant. Here's a big cold zone refrigerator component. And then right here, there's an Aeon. And then lots of Carrier Gemini split systems. And there's a Carrier base model right there from 2008. I don't think this fan motor is actually working. It's got a compressor blanket. 3.5 ton from 2008. It's got Piron hardwood today. I don't think this fan motor doesn't work, so it might be or the run cap. I'm not sure. These are all Carrier Gemini split systems. These all sound very good. That's blowing a ton of hot air, dude. This one's fan is not running. 2008. Jesus, that's blowing a ton of hot air. There's an Aeon, so I'm not gonna get into it. But yeah, I don't think that Carrier from 2008 and this Guardian actually never runs. So yeah, thank you for watching.